Welcome back to SaaS Beast Pro, the home for smart time-saving tutorials that make your digital life smoother. In today's video, we're breaking down the 7 Discord settings on PC you need to change right now, essential tweaks to boost performance and customize your experience. Now let's get started. Number 1, disable hardware acceleration for performance. This setting plays a big role in how efficiently Discord runs on your PC. If you've noticed lag, screen tearing, or sluggish animations, disabling hardware acceleration can help your app run smoother and more stable, especially on mid or low-end systems. Alright, let's do it. Step 1. Launch the Discord app on your Windows computer and make sure you're signed into your account. Once it's open, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen where your username appears. Step 2. Click the gear icon next to your username. This opens the User Settings panel, where you can manage nearly all of Discord's important performance and display preferences. Step 3. In the left sidebar, scroll down slowly until you reach the App Settings section, then select Advanced. This section contains several hidden features that directly impact how Discord performs. Step 4. Locate the hardware acceleration option. You'll see a description mentioning that Discord uses your GPU to make things appear smoother. If you've been facing visual glitches or frame drops, toggle this switch off to disable it. Step 5. A pop-up will appear asking you to restart Discord to apply the change. Click the option and let Discord close and reopen automatically. Once it's back, you'll immediately notice a more stable and responsive performance, especially if your system was struggling before. Number 2, turn off voice. Processing features. This setting is key if you want your voice to sound natural and uninterrupted during calls. Disabling these filters removes Discord's automatic noise adjustments, giving you full control over your mic's quality and clarity. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open Discord on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. This ensures your personal settings are available and ready to be customized. Step 2. Click on the User Settings gear icon located at the bottom left corner beside your username. This opens up all your configuration options inside Discord. Step 3. In the left-hand sidebar, scroll down and select Voice and Video under the App Settings category. This section contains all the voice input, output, and processing features you'll need to modify. Step 4. Scroll through until you reach the voice processing section. Here you'll see a list of features that automatically alter your voice to reduce echo, noise, or volume fluctuations. Step 5. Toggle off each feature you don't want Discord to handle automatically. Echo cancellation. Turn this off if you're using headphones or a professional mic setup. It can distort your sound unnecessarily. Noise suppression. Disable this to prevent Discord from cutting off parts of your voice when background noise is detected. Automatic gain control. Turn it off to stop Discord from changing your mic volume mid-conversation. Step 6. For more advanced adjustments, click on the Debugging tab. From there, you can reset voice and video settings to default if things ever get messy or inconsistent. It's a great way to start fresh if you've made multiple tweaks. Step 7. Finally, adjust your voice activity sensitivity if Discord is muting or cutting your audio too often. Disable the Automatically Determine Input Sensitivity option, then manually drag the slider until your mic picks up your voice smoothly and consistently. With these settings fine-tuned, your audio will sound cleaner, more professional, and exactly the way you intend it to. Number 3. Manage data privacy and safety controls. Protecting your data on Discord is crucial to maintaining your privacy and keeping your personal information secure. Adjusting these settings helps prevent unwanted tracking and ensures a safer online experience. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Click the gear icon next to your username at the bottom left corner to open User Settings. This is where all your account preferences and privacy options are located. Step 2. On the left sidebar, select Privacy and Safety. This tab lets you control how Discord handles your data and interactions. Step 3. Under the section How We Use Your Data, toggle off options like Use Data to improve Discord and Use Data to customize my Discord experience. This limits Discord's data collection and gives you more control over your personal information. Number 4. Clear Discord's local cache files. Clearing Discord's cache helps free up space, remove old data, and improve app performance. It prevents lag, visual glitches, and ensures smoother operation on your PC. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Go to your Windows search bar and type %appdata%. This will open the app data folder, where Discord stores its support and caches files. Step 2. In the app data directory, find and open the Discord folder. This is where all of Discord's local data is saved on your computer. Step 3. Locate the folders named Cache, Code Cache, and GPU Cache. Right-click each one and select Delete to remove them completely. Step 4. After deleting those folders, empty your recycle bin to permanently clear the space. Step 5. Finally, restart Discord. The app will automatically regenerate the necessary files, running cleaner and faster than before. Number 5. Disable Game Overlay for FPS boost. This step is crucial because the in-game overlay can consume extra system resources, causing frame drops or lag during gameplay. Disabling it frees up performance and ensures smoother gaming on Discord. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Launch Discord on your PC and make sure you're logged in so you have full access to all your settings. Step 2. Click the gear icon next to your username at the bottom left corner to open User Settings, where all your Discord customization options live. Step 3. In the left sidebar, scroll down to the Activity Settings section and click on Game Overlay to open the overlay controls. Step 4. Look for the toggle labeled Enable In-Game Overlay on the right side and switch it off, instantly freeing up system resources and giving your games a smoother, lag-free performance. Step 5. Close the Settings menu and enjoy a boost in FPS while gaming, knowing Discord won't interfere with your gameplay. Number 6. Review and adjust all notification sounds, controlling Discord. Notification sounds helps you focus, avoid distractions, and create a personalized experience. Fine-tuning these settings ensures you only hear alerts that truly matter. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open User Settings by clicking the gear icon next to your username in the bottom left corner of Discord. This gives you access to all your app customization options. Step 2. Select notifications from the left-hand menu under App Settings. This is where all sound and alert options are managed. Step 3. Scroll down to the Sound section to see a list of notification events, each with its own toggle switch. This list lets you control exactly which events produce sounds. Step 4. To silence everything, enable the Disable All Notification Sounds toggle. This turns off all alerts instantly, giving you complete quiet. Step 5. To fine-tune, toggle individual sounds on or off for specific events like messages, deafen, or user joins. This lets you keep only the notifications that are important to you. Number 7. Set custom keybinds for quick mute. Creating a custom keybind lets you instantly mute or unmute your mic without searching through menus, keeping your communication smooth and distraction-free during calls or gaming sessions. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Click the gear icon in the bottom left corner of Discord to access all your personal settings. Step 2. Scroll down the left-hand menu to App Settings and select Keybinds to manage your shortcuts. Step 3. Click the Add a Keybind button at the top to create a new shortcut. Step 4. From the drop-down menu under Action, choose Toggle Mute to control your microphone quickly. Step 5. Click the Keybind field and press the key or combination you want to use for muting/unmuting. Step 6. Press your chosen key to ensure it toggles your microphone on and off seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips.